First, log into the Cricket app with your account credentials. Head to Account or My Account, then select Lines and Plans. Choose the line you want to cancel and tap Cancel Line or Remove Line. Select a reason for cancellation. If you want to keep your number, choose Port Number Out and provide your new carrier's details. Cricket will give you a port out PIN. Review the summary, agree to the terms, and submit. Expect the line to deactivate within 24 to 48 hours. A confirmation email SMS will be sent to you. Before canceling your Cricket line, be aware of potential fees and the porting process. Early termination fees (ETFs) can apply if you're within a contract period. Unpaid balances must be settled to avoid collections. Device financing may result in buyout fees if you cancel early. Cricket doesn't charge port-out fees, but your new carrier might have activation fees. The port-out PIN from Cricket is valid for 30 days. Porting process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Return any leased devices to avoid additional charges.